Welcome back, everybody. Allie's up here on the New Holland. We got the rake hooked up. We had originally raked up this field and it ended up needing ted out. We figured it was a little wet in the middle, so we tedded it out and now we're gonna get it raked back up. The other field we're gonna be baling today is tedded as well, and it just needs raked and baled. So Allie's up here on the tractor. She's gonna get it started for us. So my dad actually yesterday tried to run a bale through this just so we can make sure everything was going fine. And he said he thought he heard it make a loud bang while he was running it, but looks like it's strung up. So I don't know. We'll see how that goes when we start baling. Hopefully we don't have to call a mechanic out here today. So it's Allie's first time running this rake. We're just gonna make one round to try out the baler to make sure it's not broke. Well, Allie raked the outside row. She did a really good job. Now we're gonna test out the baler to make sure it's working right, but I'm not sure. We'll see. All right, here we go. Fingers crossed. Hopefully it works. Sounds all right. I looked, it seemed, I don't know, it seemed to be in time still. But he said it's when the knotters run, when the needles come up. Go for a little ride up here. Sounded good to me. Hallelujah. All right, now we gotta check the tension, make sure they're right. It's a little loose. Keep running a sec. They look good. I'd check them when they fall out. Oh, it didn't turn. The other one, see, sometimes turns it, but I think we need to adjust this a little better. This will catch that string a lot of the time. We should be good there. I see Allie's chilling out in the shade up there. Look at them guns! Woo! What the heck? I don't get to do any tractor work today, apparently. Allie raking, Dad's baling. I'm gonna check out the bales here, actually. I don't know, our knives could maybe use sharpened. You see how shaggy these bales are? The sides are cut actually nice, so we haven't did too many acres on it. I'm gonna pick one of these up, see how they feel. Oh yeah, that's good. We're gonna have to check with my dad, see what the moisture's at. From what it looks like, I'd assume 13, but we'll see. What's the moisture. Oh, 10. I was wrong. 10's good. We look for it to be between 10 and 12, but up to 14, depending on the weather, we'll bale it. But this weather out, we have we haven't got rain. Yeah, since last weekend, I think we got a little bit, but it wasn't a lot at all. A little too narrow at the end of the row. Oh wait, never mind, he's getting out. What's wrong? What'd you say? Oh, you measure it? Yeah, we want them about 34. What are they at?
35.
35. Yeah, that's good. It's going good out here.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. A little shaggy up top this time. I don't know why. And that can't be the blade because the sides are pretty nice cut. Maybe it's just a little shorter. But they look good.
She's up. I'm heading down to get a piece of trash, and I'll see you. Okay, all of our findings for the day. Well, we have everything raked, so we're gonna head back to the shop, get the baler, skid steer, trailer, get all this up off the ground and get into the barn.
Well, we made it back. Dad's gonna head out with the baler, get that land baled up. Spectrum guy's here because the dumpster guy ripped the cable line down. But he baled the back field here. He said it went well. We got about how many bales out here on what, 5 acres?
Like 4 acres, 155. It's just so dry.
Yeah.
We need rain bad.
But this other land he's going to, I think it'll be decent baleage. 4.5 acres, about 200 bale, I think. So yeah, that should be all right. Well, we see the moisture meter ripped off, so we know it's dry though, so we can run it for now, but we're gonna have to get that fixed here soon.
Just, they say to run it through the tongue, but how the hell do you do that?
Yeah.
a windrow.
Well, everybody, we got the load loaded up. We got with them 2 up there, that would make 180 bale. I thought we'd get 200, but 180 is pretty good for me on second cut out here. It's only 4.5 acres, like I said. Allie's gonna drive the skid home, and I'm gonna follow her in the gooseneck. And I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by and seeing us do second cut hay out here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on the videos, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you on the next one.